So we now know about the interpreted language that Python is, but the Python interpreter has to make sure that everything that we are using within our code is correct. And that means we need to look at things such as the lexis. Yes, lexis, the words that we use. Think of it such as a person that compiles a dictionary, a lexicographer. Well, in the same way, the Python interpreter has to check the words that we use are correct for the language. Now, the words that we can use are going to include things such as keywords, if, while, until, import, and so forth. The names of functions, such as the print function that we've seen, as well as functions that we can define ourselves. The names of variables that we can create, system-supplied variables, but also variables that we might supply. Your lexis of a language is also going to include literals, so strings that we might be printing with the print function, or numbers that we might be including in calculations, so literal values. Now, whilst we're talking about calculations, also our operators, like the addition, the subtraction, the equals operator. These are always part of our lexis. But remember, this is just part of our fundamental definitions. Don't get too hung up with the idea of these words and what these functions, operators, and variables do. We're going to be seeing that through the duration of this course.